Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another new tutorial. So in this tutorial we are gonna create something unique. Alright, before we start, I would like to wish happy Mahashivratri to everyone, those who celebrate. Alright, and today we are gonna create, our theme is Mahashivratri. So I have prepared a prompt here. Notion link will be in the description. Alright, okay, so we are gonna create this Mahashivratri AI trend. Alright, so first what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to Google image and we're gonna find a Indian woman. If you have your own picture, that will be good, but if you're not comfortable using your own picture, then that's fine. Alright, so I'm gonna go with this one. Alright, save as, let's save as model. Alright, and go to Google Gemini, create an image and upload your file. So I'll upload our model picture and I will go to my Notion link. Okay, there's two type of image prompt. We are gonna enter our first image prompt. If you have any confusion, you can follow along, guys. Alright, and submit. Alright, we got our result now. Okay, look how the result is so beautiful. Alright, and our second image. Alright, now we have our first image. Now what we are gonna do, we are gonna copy this image of ours. Make sure your image is front. Alright, front facing, but otherwise this image is also fine. Now we are gonna go to our Notion and we're gonna copy the second image prompt. Alright, and paste. This is our second image prompt. You can download this. Image is ready. Alright, this is also nice, this is also fine, but if you are not satisfied, you can redo, try again. Let's see how the result is after trying again, after redoing. Okay, even though after redoing our result is still same. Alright, so I will go with the first one. Okay, download full size. Alright, now what we are gonna do is we are gonna go to Pixverse. Okay, first I have already uploaded my image, is being uploaded. Alright, upload and upload, choose one for now. Alright, confirm. So when you go to transition, there's video will only go with first frame. Alright, so if you go to transition, you can add two image. So first we'll go with this one and second we'll add with Shiva in here. Alright, and now paste the video prompt. Make sure your credits is there, guys, or if you want you can use Higgsfield for this as well, it will work. Alright, now let's click create. If you want audio, you can turn on the audio. I have turned off just now. You can turn on the audio and you can create again. So both my videos is being generated right now. This will take time, so once it's done I'll get back with the result. That's it, guys. That's how you can create a Mahashivratri AI trend. Alright, I hope this video is helpful for you, it is valuable for you, and if you are watching until the very end, please drop a yellow heart or yellow star, or you can comment Mahashivratri. Alright, and please do support to the channel because it takes so much of effort and time to create tutorials for you guys. So please do support the channel and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.